Guys, we're filling up before we go on. This is
Section 59.
yeah, fam. Trip to where, fam?
Wales, fam.
Say hello, fam. We're gonna film me filling up. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
What are you filling up?
Where are we going? Scotland.
Scotland. Yeah. What are you filling up? As you can tell, he's mentally challenged.
Whoa.
Brothers.
Why are you so beautiful? Why are you never getting recorded? I think you should take the camera and record him.
Huh? These ones, yeah, they're built in. Yeah. It has a script. I was filming, fam. I recorded that.
You recorded that?
Of course,
bro. This guy, you can't tell what
I don't give a f. It is what it is. Drift.
Well, this is where we used to drift.
So this is the second location of the meetup for Wales. Sim is late. But apparently he's getting us food, so that's kind of good at least. It's Dr. Shanker fam. You should change your Instagram tag to Dr. Shanker fam. I think that would be oh, Dr. Olivier, that would be jokes fam. I'll back it. I think this trip is gonna go fam.
I mean, I don't even know.
Are you looking? And then there's this pond there.
Walking. He's gonna walk into Wales. How's walking? Move! Bash is a retard, that's what happened.
I forgot one piece of equipment, it's a minor piece but it's major. The base plate for my Ronin, which basically renders the whole Ronin useless.
But I still think it's a 2-line swap.
It definitely is. Yeah. He distracted me from my job first.
Exactly.
See you at my house.
What did Praveen have for breakfast?
What did you have for breakfast, Praveen?
A lot.
Go on, family.
Remember they said I'm not good enough. I took all the
dude, where's the trip?
How's the trip?
Huh? It was amazing.
What's Doggy Boy saying?
Hey Blaze, what do you have to say?
Nothing, friend. There's nothing to say to me.
Let's go down there and then let's walk this way.
Yeah.
And then we say we never seen the plan.
Seems the man with the plan, fam. Let's go.
Section 59.
What do you say, bro?
Is that better though?
Yeah, fam, that's a lot, man.
This is section 59, boys. Should join it.
Where do you join, fam? Link in bio, you fill out the form, and then what do? Get accepted, fam.
You first you have to go for an audition with Bash.
Wait, we raced him down?
Yeah, fam, you said we do it down. Tired. And this is how we keep the stamina of section 59 team up, fam.
I was.
So we're back at day 2, fam, in Wales. P123 Ben is in another bright hoodie.
Oh yeah?
We have Shax, Mr. Dr. Shax. We have got that noise you can hear is this prick's car. That you can see over there. It's ready for day 2.
Yo, what channel?
Your car sounds insane, fam. Number 5.
What's up?
You ready for day 2?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's have a sick drive.
So, what's your brother saying?
Instagram.
I want to say that, yeah, I'm happy to be here actually.
I've got socks. You mop it, bro.
It's pretty wet. I think he falls over.
That's a fire. Is that house on fire?
Looks like it.
Should we call feds? I'm about to go find out. Is that a control thing or what, man? What's going on? Okay. No worries. Go a bit down there. Stop at the end of it. Parking genius, eh?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah, the thing is, which we can't even go in.
He wants to go skinny dipping, bro.
You're coming too, fam.
Man's involved. Man's
Bring the camera
involved.
with you. We're
Man's
jumping off
involved.
I hope they have an extra pair of underpants.
Kan de bus doen. Yes.
Again, you know.
That guy got who fucking fit.
How was that?
Oh no, I forgot my towel, fam.
Kareem, the G. What a G, bro. I'm frozen to the tits, man.
That was a bit cold, man.
We're just trying to find it right now.
Alright, Flames, let me know on that update. But PG Tips, what's going on, G?
Nothing really, we're just trying to find the first chord.
member. Section 59 member.
Please.
She's the mascot.
Say.
Say, PG tip, say.
Safe guys, safe. Oh. Acha, acha, acha.
Bye.
Say, please.
There's little Blaze.
Thank you much for coming.
Where's Blaze?
I'm here.
We'll see you on the next series of
Here you go.
Travels with Section 59.